another tornado warning. I wonder what.
Because this is going to be a busy night, no question about it, folks, as far as the storm is concerned.
Why did they just reissue it?
Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Morrison, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Spotters have reported a funnel cloud. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Emerson around 7:05 p.m. Rock Falls around 7:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include Agnew, Unionville, Douglas Park, White Pigeon, Galt, Round Grove, Grimes Addition, Malvern, Como, and Morrison/Rockwood Park. This includes Interstate 88 between mile markers 30 and 40. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Whiteside, Illinois,